Well, good evening, everyone. It's Megan. I'm going to take a few moments tonight to discuss the blog that we had made prior to this assignment and how I made it into a website for my course theme, which is animal management. So as you can see, I'm on the home page right now, and up top I have 4 tabs that have folders within them. So here on this one I have contact information. I think it's really beneficial as any type of educator to have your information that your students can get to at any point of time during the course or the semester. And then I also have the parent information. This is just helpful just because parents can go in here, put their name, email, kind of type me up a little message that they have questions about FFA events or wondering why their child isn't doing well or performing well, and kind of allows me to have it all right here in this little area. And then being an agriculture education teacher also comes in hand of being an ag advisor, which is FFA. And this is where I have it kind of downloaded on here, application to apply for FFA chapter. So here as a student, you'd put your name in, put all your information in, link your resumes, and then here you would hit select grade. And it will actually take you to a Word document. Sorry, it's not showing up. There we go. And then let's say you're a 12th grader, senior in high school, you just put your name. This would allow me to know how many students I would have in the course of FFA. So then going back as you study this, it has like different tabs. So this one actually takes you to the home page of the FFA organization. This tab will actually take you to the SAE, kind of allows you to break it down and see what all is out there. Go back here, try me button. It actually takes to you my favorite career and leadership development events. This one is very beneficial in terms of gaining skills and knowledge, but also just being educational purposes in terms of showing you all the options that you can do in FFA and kind of see where your passions stand and kind of where you want to go for your future and endeavors. So that's that. And then for the animal manage tab, I have the announcements. This would just have upcoming due dates or reminders for testing or events for FFA, and then past due dates. Here are some things that could be late due dates and stuff that you forgot to turn in. And as that comes up, I can actually put in a button that late assignments go in, so I know which assignments have penalties. As you can see, I have a home button. This will take you back to the home page. Here, the helpful education material, just a few things that kind of go hand in hand with the topic that we're learning during lecture time, but also can help you on homework assignments. So if you hit start, it actually takes you to a video about livestock handling. And then going back, it actually takes you to an article. This kind of teaches you how to do self-learning and kind of like read the article and see what's actually important to like take from the article and what's really not, and then kind of come back into a group setting and share what your thoughts are. So then over here in the more, I just have the course syllabus. Kind of shows you what kind of stuff goes on, and then this tab kind of shows you the standards for Indiana. And then about me, this is just the stuff that was already here. It tells you a little bit about me as a junior at Purdue University, and then passion for agriculture industry. These are just the case studies that we've done and kind of the first beginner assignments that had to do with our blog. So that is a little bit rundown in the website that I made for my course. So thank you.